HELOC versus cash out refinance, key differences explained. At first, these two options can sound almost interchangeable. Both let you tap home equity, both can put cash in your hands, and both can seem useful when you need money for repairs, debt payoff, or a big expense. That is exactly why so many homeowners compare them the wrong way. The real difference is not just how much cash you can access, it is what happens to your existing mortgage, how flexible the money stays after closing, and which risk tends to show up later instead of immediately. That last part is where the wrong choice usually becomes expensive. What a HELOC actually is. A HELOC, or home equity line of credit, is an open-end line of credit secured by your home. The CFPB explains that it lets you borrow repeatedly against your equity, more like a credit line than a one-time payout. It is also generally a second mortgage, which means if you already have a first mortgage, the HELOC usually sits beside it rather than replacing it. That flexibility is the reason many people find a HELOC attractive. During the drop period, you may borrow, repay, and borrow again. But the catch is that many HELOCs have variable rates, and your payment can rise even if you do not take out more money. Later, when the draw period ends, the repayment phase can feel much heavier than it did at the start. How a cash out refinance works. A cash out refinance works very differently. Instead of adding a second loan, it replaces your current mortgage with a new first mortgage for a larger amount, and the extra amount comes back to you as cash. In other words, the old loan gets paid off and a new mortgage takes its place. That can feel cleaner because you end up with one main mortgage instead of juggling a first mortgage plus a separate credit. But refinancing is a full mortgage transaction. Fannie Mae notes that refinancing requires lender approval and comes with application and closing costs, much like the original mortgage process. So the structure may feel simpler, yet the reset is bigger than many people expect. When each one fits better, a HELOC usually makes more sense when the expense is uncertain or spread over time. If the money will be used in stages, that flexible draw feature can be more practical than refinancing your entire mortgage all at once. A cash out refinance often makes more sense when you want one new mortgage and a lump sum up front. It can also appeal to homeowners who want to replace the current loan rather than carry a second lien on the property. But the answer gets trickier. If your existing mortgage already has a rate you would hate to lose, the risk most people miss. Here is the part people usually do not hear clearly enough. A HELOC can look lighter because you borrow only what you need, but variable rates and the shift into repayment can make it less predictable later. A cash out refinance can look cleaner because it folds everything into one mortgage, but the CFPB warns that cash out refinances can carry higher monthly payments, higher balances, and higher foreclosure risk, especially when other debt gets turned into debt secured by the home. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. And that matters here, because the better choice depends less on which product sounds smarter and more on whether you need flexibility, predictability, or protection for a mortgage you already like. The real difference. So what is the key difference? A HELOC usually leaves your current mortgage in place and adds a flexible second loan on top. A cash out refinance replaces your existing mortgage with a new, larger one and gives you the difference in cash. That is the detail that resolves the whole comparison. If you need money in stages and want borrowing flexibility, a HELOC often fits better. If you want a single new mortgage and a lump sum, a cash out refinance may fit better. The better option is not the one that sounds more powerful, it is the one that creates the least trouble after the money arrives. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.